Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Utkal Divas celebrations, an award-giving ceremony organized by SAIL RSP. Suraksha Stump inaugurated near the main gate of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Padma Shri awardees of the state felicitated in the Adi Mahotsav 2022 jointly organized by SAIL RSP and TriFed. And in our Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav series, today's personality is Shri Kampal Mishra. Now, the news in detail. Utkal Divas celebrations and award-giving ceremony was organized by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant at Civic Center on 1st April 2022. Mr. Atanu Bhaumik, Director in charge, RSP, graced the occasion as the chief guest and inaugurated the grand program. Mr. A.K. Kundu, ED Mines, Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Works, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, ED PNA, with the additional in charge of ED Projects, Mr. C.R. Mohapatra, CGM in charge, MM and Marketing, Dr. B.K. Hota, CMO in charge, M&HS, Mr. A.K. Behuria, CGM in charge, FNA, Mrs. Indrani Kundu, Mrs. Harshala Suryavanshi, and Mrs. Hiranmay Satpathy, all Vice Presidents of Deepika Mahila Sangati, many Chief General Managers, Senior Officers and award winners, along with their spouses, were present on the occasion. The dignitaries offered floral tributes to the portraits of Utkal Mani Pandit Gopabandhu Das and Utkal Gaurav Madhusudan Das and lighted the ceremonial lamp. The program began with the soulful rendition of the Utkal Bandana by artists of Ninad, the in-house band of RSP. The DIC in his address paid rich tributes to all the great leaders of Orissa who fought selflessly for the amalgamation of Oriya tracts and for the formation of Swatantra Orissa Pradesh. Extending greetings of Utkal Divas to everyone, the DIC said, Rourkela Steel Plant symbolizes the prosperity, development and progress of the state. That is why it's aptly called the Shilpa Konark of the state. Let's take a pledge to take our steel plant and our state to greater prosperity and bring more glory for the country, he concluded. Later, the DIC presented the Jawahar Award to 24 executives, Nehru Vishist Karmachari Puraskar to 86 employees, Srujani Rolling Trophies and awards to departments and individuals, sports awards to distinguished sports persons and coaches in the presence of all the EDs. A scintillating Odissi dance performance depicting the cultural diversity of Orissa by the artist of Nritya Madhuram, a spellbinding Khumura folk dance by the artist from Kalahandi were the highlights of the cultural show. Mr. B.K. Raut, GM Protocol, Hospitality and Social Welfare, proposed a vote of thanks. Mr. Sashanka Patnaik, Assistant Manager, Public Relations Department, welcomed the gathering and coordinated the show. Mr. Atanu Bhaumik, Director in charge RSP, inaugurated a 10-meter high Suraksha Stump at the junction near main entrance gate of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 31st March 2022. Mr. A.K. Kundu, ED Mines, Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, ED Works, Mr. A.K. Pradhan, ED Projects, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, ED P&A, Mr. Asim Kumar Behera, the then CGM Fire and Safety, and the Chief General Managers, HODs, departments, safety officers and other senior officials of RSP were also present on the occasion. The stump is erected to remind and create safety awareness amongst the employees soon after entering the plant. In addition to this, the DIC also inaugurated an LED screen at the gate pass section of CISF office for digital display of safety awareness messages, especially comprising the do's and don'ts meant for visitors and other stakeholders. The function was coordinated by the Safety Engineering Department Collective. The third day of the Adi Mahotsav 2022 held in the exhibition ground of Sector 5 on 1st April 2022 witnessed felicitation of three eminent personalities of Orissa, namely Dr. Jitendra Haripal, winner of Padma Shri Award, Shri Daitari Nayak, winner of Padma Shri Award, and Srimati Matilda Kulu, who won a place in the Forbes India Women Power 2021 list. Shri A.K. Kundu, ED Mines, RSP, Shri Pabitra Kumar Kanhar, Vice Chairman, TriFed, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Govt of India, Shri Ajay Nayak, CGM, TA and CSR, and Shri Rahul Rai, Regional Manager, TriFed, were the guests present on the occasion. It may be noted that Padma Shri Dr. Jitendra Haripal has transcended the boundaries of countries and continents through the famous Oriya song Rangabati. An exponent of Sambalpuri song, he has to his credit over 1,000 songs sung that has touched the hearts of millions. He was conferred with the Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian award of India, in the year 2017 for his achievements. Shri Daitari Nayak, the canal man of Orissa, has created history by digging out a 3-kilometer canal from the Gonasika mountains so that the water stream could irrigate the parched land of his village that was reeling under acute water shortage. He was conferred with the coveted Padma Shri Award in the year 2019 for this noble and selfless cause. Srimati Matilda Kulu from Sundargarh districts has featured in the Forbes India Women Power 2021 list for her yeoman service during the COVID times. She braved all odds to reach out to the people of a village and nearby areas and extended them support amidst the raging pandemic. Speaking on the occasion, Shri Kundu said that he feels humbled to share space with such illustrious personalities. He also highlighted the various CSR initiatives being taken up by the RSP to enhance the quality of life of the people living in the periphery of the plant and mines. Shri Kanhar, in his address, elaborated about the richness and legacy of the Aranyak culture and urged for its promotion and propagation. Mr. Ajay Nayak spoke about the significance of Utkal Divas and the rich heritage of the state. Shri Jitendra Haripal enthralled the audience by presenting some of his songs, including the very famous Rangabati. The other highlights of the evening were mellifluous Mayurvansh Chow, a foot-tapping Ghumra dance from Kalahandi, and the storytelling of the history of Orissa by Prachitara from Bhubaneswar. The function began with a rendition of Bande Utkala Janani by the artist of Bhanja Kala Kendra led by Srimati Binapani Rath. Shri Rahul Roy proposed a vote of thanks. As a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebrations, SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant is presenting a series of news on the eminent personalities of Orissa, and today's personality is Shri Kampal Mishra. Born on 7th August 1875, Shri Kampal Mishra was a famous literati and playwright. By profession, Kampal Mishra was a teacher. He wrote only 4 plays, namely Sita Bibaha in 1899, Harichandra in 1902, Basanta Latika in 1913, and Durga Sabari. He adopted a new style in his works by intermingling Shakespeare with his tradition. Unlike his contemporaries, he never used a stage for preaching and did not appear in the role of a reformist. His ideas came as natural and integrated parts of the theme. His play Sita Bibaha was made into a movie in 1934, which was also the first film in Oriya. He passed away on 27 November 1927. Here we come to the end of today's news bulletin. Namaskar.